This is the worst hot cocoa I've ever had. In an attempt to eat cleaner, I wanted to find a healthy hot cocoa recipe because the days are getting colder and colder. Except for today, it's 65 in the middle of December.
Hot cocoa on your bucket list?
Let me explain. No, there is too much. Let me sum up.
I have a lot of longer term items on my bucket list, and clean eating will directly impact having a flat stomach, which is the actual item on my bucket list. Telling you my goal though will either increase my motivation and resolve by way of accountability, or exactly the opposite. I tested out so many recipes. The research was grueling. But my main objective was to make a healthy version of Abuelita chocolate. I grew up drinking the Abuelita chocolate that my mom made us. It's got everything that I'm looking for in a hot cocoa. It's rich, it's creamy, it's savory. Except that Abuelita chocolate has a lot of processed ingredients. So I went to work. My first attempt, I went into the kitchen all willy-nilly. No recipe, no frame of reference, but I was gonna get it on the first try. And let me just say that there is such a thing as too much chocolate. I microwaved coconut milk, added a heaping spoonful of unsweetened cocoa powder, put some coconut sugar up in there. Who needs measuring spoons, am I right? And tried my best to enjoy it. And that's when I realized that I'm not a chef. What acting? She's a star. Someone give her an Emmy. So I got to work with my usual research. When the recipe says chocolate chips, don't try to substitute it for cocoa nibs. They're not the same, even though the label may say nature's chocolate chips.
You sit on a throne of lies.
A few years back, I did a test like this, but with apples. I went to the store and bought one of each kind of apple available there, came back and sliced them up and put them in a labeled area so that I could make my mom, sister, and Austin participate with me. From there, we taste tested all of the different apples and did an individual ranking so that we know which kind of apple that we preferred and which one was the best. Honeycrisp, by the way. They're also ridiculously expensive and ridiculously large. Like, half it with someone. That's a good marketing strategy for Honeycrisp. Share it with a friend. Honeycrisp. Once I found a recipe with the right creaminess, I adapted the ingredient amounts and added cinnamon, cloves, and cayenne. I've also added the ingredients in the description below so you don't have to keep pausing the video at this point. This is still a lot more work than a packet of Swiss Mix, but I feel better about having a cleaner eating option. And now I know exactly what to keep in stock in my fridge and pantry. So thanks for watching all. Make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos. I'll see y'all next week. Bye. I just went in the kitschy. What monster makes hot chocolate with water? Hype. I'm my own hype lady.